good morning. Thank you so much for watching another channel. Yep, first time watching this channel. Never met me. I'm Boss Kirk, who travels around the world. Yes guys, and in today's video I'm just here after off of Norris, and yes, I wanted to visit my family farm here today, guys, you know, but I didn't get any consent to visit the farm or anything like that. But you do have dogs here as well, guys, and so on, so but I'm not afraid of them because I do have a special technique to use on them. So if they want to start with me, they can start. Morning, morning. Morning, what going? Morning. Yeah.
They're cutting the chicken? Maybe we love government, man.
Yeah, the video, because he's cutting up the chicken.
Yeah.
And what we cutting up here?
We're cutting up the chicken. Hey! Now watch.
Cut up the chicken, you know? Yes, it's a family chicken, guys. It's called a family Jamaican chicken.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, it's the 2026 chicken, yeah? Yes, man. Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year.
Taking out the back out of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Taking that out, yeah? So which thing on everyone? Them done on the land?
No.
No.
Everybody gone out to their separate families.
Oh.
So, my kids' friends coming over.
And they want to go in there and video the land.
You wanna go?
We want to go and do a video on the land. Chicken lady.
Chicken. You know, you clean out yourself of the chicken, right?
Yes.
They're real Jamaican outdoor cooking, you know.
Yes, man, the real Jamaican outdoor cooking, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, my cousin, we're gone.
Hi.
Yes.
Me know how to take him out there, no?
So sweet. Oh, the pop. You know, don't know.
You just take him out.
Oh, and the phone the dog, no?
No, not for the dog.
Oh. Oh, that's right, I'll take that. Oh. You got no home in here, no space for you. You look like you not eat for some days. Oh. A king dog, yeah? Oh.
Janet, don't do it. Janet, don't do it. You hear what I say?
Yes, a fire is starting over there. Yes. Oh, I got a little puppy there. Oh, your lucky day today. Yes? But you said the family cook cleaned up, eh?
Family outside cooking.
That's right. It's a family cooking, eh?
Yeah, that's why it's
Yeah, let me show the fans what we have on the table. This is what we have on the table here, guys, you know? Yes, it's my cousin there.
Rice and peas, some oxtail and pork. We're gonna jerk some pork as well.
Oh, that's good, man, you know?
Some chicken, yeah.
Yes, man, big New Year's Day, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Yes, man. The time to say this is very, very good feelings, you know, to be on the TV, you know. Okay. Yes. It's nice. Yes, guys. So I'm going to be showing you the land now. So taking a little walk down here, and it's time to show the land to you. Yes. So that is the family house. Yes, it is a family house. And over here Look what we got over here as well, guys. It's one of them thing called cat sauce again. Yeah, cat sauce. And these things on there can eat, guys. But you see, it's very sharp. You see this, guys? You got to be very careful. You got to touch it very gently. It will stick in your finger if you don't be careful. But it's not ready to eat yet. But those bits can eat. But it's not ready yet. It still need to develop a bit more. Oh, you got this puppy here following me. Hello, what's up? You're not going to try and eat me like the chicken, like how you was eating that chicken earlier? Okay, I think you're going to follow me. I think he wants to follow me. Let's walk and see if he follow me. Okay, he's gone back because, he went back. Okay, he wants chicken. Right down here, used to have siphon down here. And also one of my family members was buried down here. But there's a big bug in there. I don't like those type of bugs. I don't like them. Oh, what bird did I just see in the tree there? I think I just seen a bobble dove. The country lifestyle here, guys, in Norris. Yes, this is my country lifestyle, walking through. This is the family, my family, guys. So this is the family village, I would call it. Because down here is all, the people that lives all in this place, guys, is all my family. So this is the land they have down here and everything. So yeah, it's a family land. Yes, so it's a nice place to come and just enjoy. I mean, I will show you guys what I want to do with my land. My land will be okay. I can see a grave from here. I can see a grave from here. So I believe that is where my cousin was buried. I'm sure that's what I'm looking at. Yes, so Bobby was buried there. So this is how I want my land to be, guys, like this. So the land you see with all the bush, I want everything to be flattened and look like this. So this is how I'd like my thing to stay. This is how I would like it, guys. And yeah, so this is my family land. So, oh, they managed to plow this. This was quite quick. I remember when there was nothing here. You see, so what they did? They just got the tractor to go in, guys, and just go in and plow. It doesn't take too long to plow a land. That's all you need. Once you have a plow like this, you know, and yes, you see, this is how it goes. Once they drop it down, it takes everything up over the ground. So that is good. And I can hear some pigs down here, guys. Oh yes, they do have a pig pen over there, but it doesn't sound like it's coming from there. It don't sound like it's coming from there, to be honest with you. And then this is when you have the land, guys, this is going to be the problem for me. Big problem is to run these pipes, guys. They are going to be so expensive to run. They're not going to be a little bit of money, you see. The way the supply is, and the water pipe is running from that side. Yeah. But it don't look like there's no pig in the pen, but I sure, guys, I sure just heard pig. I sure heard pig. I really did hear a pig, guys. So I go over there and check it. Something is telling me to go and check because I really did hear some pig. I did hear some pig. I really did hear some pig. But it don't look like there's no pig there. But something is telling me to go and have a look. Okay, see, there's nothing here. Oh, over the other side. Oh yes, we got over the other side. The pigs are moving over the other side there. Oh, hello. Yes, there was some pig. I know I could hear you guys. Hello, hello. Yes, you smelling me? You smell this. You smell? How does it smell? Oh, okay. Now calm down. No fighting. Calm down. It's okay. Anyway, let's continue over here, guys. It's alright. So some pigs I could hear making noise. I don't know if they belong to them. Well, I think this is all my family. Yes, it's my family land. Yes, this is all my family land, actually. Yes, it does belong to my family. Yeah. Everything you see on the land here, guys, it's all the family. Yeah. It's quite a good sized land. I did not realize it was so huge down here, to be honest. From when you stay from there, it looks small, but it's really big. When you walk, you realize it's a long way. It's quite a big land. And these are the planting down, guys. The cropping down here is onion. So it's good that they put it here where you can get the water. So when they're ready to water, they just turn on the pipes then. And then the water come out there and moist the ground. So this is the way they have to get the water, because if they don't get the water, then for sure they cannot do what they have to do. They're not going to do their job. Yeah. And over here I believe they got some solar light over that side. What is that light for? I don't know. Oh, there are 2 graves down here. But which one is Bobby? I will know which one will belongs to him. So yeah, so they just want to use this land as a family land. So for example, if I did die there, I would have been buried there, because this is only for family alone, guys. Only yeah. So that would be only a family land, yes. There's nice mango trees up here. But what is over there? Before I visit the grave, guys, let me have a look and see. Why so many lights are over here? Okay, I have no idea. They've got a lot of lights. Oh, okay. They are growing callaloo, guys, because they want the callaloo to grow a lot quicker. So yeah, they're planting callaloo over that side. Yes, it's callaloo, guys. And over here they're planting pumpkin. Yes, guys. It's some vegetables. If you use light, it helps to grow very quick as well. Yes, that helps a lot as well. Yes, it helps. Yes. But anyway, and here's some more pumpkin over here. You know, yes, pumpkin is on this land. Yeah, so this is really, really good. Okay, I believe the grave that Bobby buried into, I would say, is the one on the right. Oh, who buried on this one? I would like to see this one. This one looked to me like a little kid. Whoever she is, it should be my family as well. It will be a family member. Oh my God. I need to speak to them about that water. I'm going to ask them. Oh my God, a little girl. Oh, must be one of your cousins what was born. Oh my God, they didn't tell me about this. That we have one cousin that died here. Oh my God. So I believe that Bobby will be buried over there then. Oh my God, I feel so sad. I kind of feel it for this little girl. It's a little baby, but they don't look like a baby grave though. That's the thing, it does not look like a baby grave. Let's take a little closer look. Doesn't look like a baby grave. Flows away. It doesn't look like a. Oh, it's another grave here as well. Oh, there's another. Oh, there's another grave here as well, guys. A dirt grave. Oh, I don't know. Well, my cousin can explain to me about this. But I'm sure that's the grave over there is Bobby. That's the only one I can say belongs to him. It wasn't a long time ago. It wasn't. I know this. It wasn't a long time ago. This will be definitely Bobby grave, you know. Yeah, for sure he'll be buried in this grave. Yeah. Yes. So that's it, Bobby. So yes, guys. So this is one of my really good cousins. You know, Bobby was passed away. So this is his grave for sure. Yes. So this was the land. Yeah. So remember, guys, this is all families. It's all family members. But I need to speak to them about that pink grave over there. So I will speak. I'm gonna have a word and ask why I never know about that and who are these people. I think because I was overseas, guys, you know, so it was nothing where they would have informed me about and keep me up to date. But the only thing that would keep me up to date about it would have been about definitely Bobby for sure. Yes, for sure, because I know him before he's still alive and so on. Over here, the woods and everything's over here to burn coal. They're going to be burning coal with all this. All this is to burn coal, guys. So the coal skill bed is over there. So when they're ready, they're going to pack it and burn the coal again. But burning a coal skill is not easy, guys, you know. To dirt it and all that is just so much work. There's so much work dirting it. So yeah, so this is the bed where they burned coal before, yeah. But you know, to dirt it and all that is not an easy thing. It's lots of work, you know. Well, not to worry. It's so nice. So you see, when I come the other side, guys, you can get to see everything better from my angle over here. See? So you're going to be eating pumpkin very soon. I really love to plant pumpkin, guys. That is one vegetable I used to love planting more than any other thing. I don't know why. And sugar cane as well. You know, I used to like planting a lot of things like that. This is really, really nice. And up in the hill as well, guys. It's very high up there. You know, see, when you look from far, it looks so small, but it's really, really huge, guys. But it's still not big as the one where we climb around my side, you know, at my country lifestyle house, you know. Yes, at my place is different. Yeah. I just have a bit of juice here at the moment, guys, because the time is so hot. I can see one guy there. I think that is one of my cousins. Okay, I can hear somebody saying something. Right. Somebody just come there and they're gone. I don't know. I wonder if they know it's me. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Yep, I really, really appreciate it. It was so nice to show you the country lifestyle of my family. A family country lifestyle. Here in 2026, yes guys, welcome to 2026. Yes, really, really love this new year, guys. Just hoping for the best for everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend, and also to comment as well as it appeared. Thank you so much. And you can reach out to me on Instagram, which is Jamaican World Travel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Signing out from Jamaica, Yalas here in Norris. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy, everybody, guys, you know, it's really, really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. It's Square Market, it's beautiful, guys. Look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. You know? Oh, I think it's a rock. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at this video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.